Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you this awesome lemon, blueberry and sourdough discard cake that I'm gonna start making right now, but I will present you first the ingredients. I need flour, 320 grams of flour or 2 cups and 2/3. Next, 1 cup of sugar or 200 grams, 1 cup of milk or 250 milliliters. I'm gonna use fresh blueberries, but you can also have frozen ones, and I have about 120 grams and I washed them and use them up. I'm using sunflower oil, 170 milliliters or 3/4 of a cup, but you can use canola oil. 1 cup of sourdough discard. I always have these because I'm passionate about bread and sourdough bread, so I always have sourdough discard in my house. But if you don't have these, you can use sour cream, and if you have one that it's more soury, then use that. I'm gonna use my sourdough discard. Lemon juice, about 120 milliliters or half a cup, but also lemon zest. 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and I'm gonna use some lemon extract, about 1 tablespoon, and 2 eggs. First we wash the lemons and we grate the zest, only the yellow part because the white one is pretty bitter. And after that we can juice them up. And to intensify the flavor, I will put the lemon zest on the lemon juice. In a big bowl, I'm gonna put the eggs, and I'm using a really big bowl because we're gonna have quite a lot of batter out of these ingredients. I wish I could have had eggs with really intense yolk, but yeah, it is what it is. We're buying the eggs from the store, so they are like this. I will mix the eggs with sugar using this whisk, but if you are in a hurry, you can use your mixer. You will see that your mixture will start to thicken up and will change color because the sugar will dissolve. Next, add the oil and also mix really good. You will see that the batter will look like mayonnaise almost. Really creamy and thick. I will add now my sourdough discard. We all know that using sourdough is really healthy for your gut. The microbacteria are really useful for our digestion. But if you don't have these, you can use sour cream. It will have almost the same consistency, and also the taste will resemble the sourdough for a bit. Add your salt and mix. One by one we're gonna add all the ingredients, and now I'm adding lemon extract, about 1 tablespoon, but if you don't have these, the lemon zest that you use is more than enough. And I'm gonna add the lemon juice right now. And I will mix all of this in my batter. You will notice that your batter will start to be bubbly, and this due to the sourdough discard, lemon juice, and baking soda as well. Flour and milk, I will add them gradually, alternating them, and also baking soda the same. I didn't add it all at once. I alternate adding flour, milk, and baking soda, and I continue to mix with a whisk until all of them are well combined. I put 1 or 2 tablespoons of flour over the blueberries. This way I'm gonna make sure that the blueberries are not sinking in the batter and will be at the bottom of the cake. So finish adding all your flour, mix it well. See, the batter is all bubbly now. In the meantime, preheat the oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake the cake in the oven in just about a minute. We need to incorporate the fruits. And I'm gonna mix them up with a spatula, folding them in the batter, and pour the batter in my dish. I line the dish with baking paper, and I will bake this for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until you're gonna see that is golden on top. And you have to let it cool down and powder it with sugar on top, and this is pretty much it, and is delicious. You can serve this with tea or with coffee in the morning or in the evening. It's absolutely delightful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Also, comment down below and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye bye.